Jungle and Python, JavaScript, tutorials for Jamie, this is Silva.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Alright guys, let's start by including a library named ESP8266 Wi-Fi, and pay attention in the upper and lower case in Wi-Fi. Now next thing, let's create a function dedicated to connecting to the Wi-Fi. So it can be of type void because it doesn't return anything, it just connects. And let's name it connect to Wi-Fi, just like that. Okay. Now inside here, we are going to use an object given by this library named Wi-Fi. Now this object has multiple methods that we can use for different purposes, and we will use the begin method. So this will begin the connection to the Wi-Fi. It takes two arguments, SSID and pass. So these two refer to the credentials of your local router. We need to define them, and we can use macros for it. So define SSID as, I'm gonna put some random value, and then same thing for pass, again some random value. Now when you are doing this, you need to look for the real value in the back of your router if you don't have the value with you. Okay, we're going good, but it's not all. We need to make sure that the Wi-Fi connection is established before we leave this function. Okay, how can we do that? Let's force a while loop. So we only leave this loop when the Wi-Fi connection is valid. For this, we can compare a method from Wi-Fi named status with a specific status. So while it's not connected, and in here we can use WL underscore connected, all uppercase. So while it's not connected, we will stay in the loop, and we can do something like delay so we don't loop too much on it, and we can print something just to make sure that it's running. Oh, excuse me, serial.print line. I've been in Python for a while, so just print. That's about it. Now what happens when the status is different than this is that we are in the loop, and when it's equal, the comparison fails and we leave the loop. Now just for curiosity, let me show you what types of states we can have returned by Wi-Fi.status. Basically, we have this status, and the one we want is this one. Okay, this one means that it's finally connected to Wi-Fi. There's some things that we still need to do, so let's start or begin the serial. Going to use this, right? So 115 200, and now we are finally ready to use our function to connect to the Wi-Fi. Don't forget the semicolon in the end, and we're ready to go. Yeah, actually, let's print something in here. Serial.print line successfully connected to Wi-Fi. All right, let's upload that. It's going to take you a while, like 30 seconds, and then you good to go. We can open the serial monitor with Ctrl-Shift-M, or alternatively go to Tools and click Serial Monitor. And now let's wait for it. Successfully connected to Wi-Fi. There you go. It's that simple. Now in the next videos, we will look on what can we do with this. I hope you like. Let me know if there is something that you didn't understand. Maybe I can explain you better, or I can comment about it. So yeah, thank you for watching and bye.